Alright, sitting on the engine block of an 08 here at Wilbert's. Gotta get like I said, we're here at Wilbert's, and I'm pulling a Tipum out of this. I am taking the harnesses with it. I had a nice pair of freaking bolt cutters that I bought at Harbor Freight, and do you think I bring them with me? Nope. So I gotta settle for my regular cutters that at least I had in my toolbox. They're not big ones, they're just regular wire cutters. They're doing the job. Because I figured there's no telling what I'm gonna need. Might need harnesses. Alright, there's two. That was the big ones. I think the harnesses come with it. I'm not gonna separate. You're never gonna pull. You're never gonna try and pull a whole harness out of a vehicle. There's just no way. So let's get the cut it as close as you can, or give yourself plenty of room here. I gotta come back in. I gotta get while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and get the manifold runner control valve out of something while I'm here. I didn't think about it. Well, sir. Always one more wire to cut, huh? Okay. All right. Yep. They actually have a battery for this too. Yeah, I'm looking at. I want to get. Almost. I'm glad these are fairly sharp. Okay. Here we go. Other than the pulling the battery cable, I'm good. Huh. That's interesting. Yep. Okay, so we go. Where'd you go? What are you doing? I don't know why this is not following me today. You're being a pain. Come on, follow me. Okay, there we go. Got to tip them. Same part number. Keep that in mind when you're doing it. One of those wires went because they're gonna be extra. Huh. There you go. What's going on here? Oh, they might have gone to that. They might have been over here. Okay, yep. Okay. No. Yeah, some spare wires already cut. Okay. Alright, so tip them. I have to tip them for that. And I gotta run. I'm gonna run back to the car real quick. Get the adapter because I want to get the manifold runner control valve. It's right onto here. I want to get that too. Okay, we're back. I'm taking the manifold runner control valve out of here. You have two different size bolts. I did make a video earlier, and you've got a 10 and you got an 8. This one here is an 8, and this one here and the one down below is a is a 10 millimeter. It's easier. Just get the box out of it, and then you'll be able to go from there. What a lot of people wind up doing is they get confused over here and they take out the thermostat. I believe it's a thermostat right down here. You got another 10, and you wind up getting that one instead of the one that holds you. Manifold runner control valve. So if you're yanking trying to break it loose, you probably get the wrong one. Okay, it's gonna pop out. You gotta get the plug out of the way. Loosen the plug. It ain't very long, is it? Oh man. Yeah, plug's not very long. It's got one of those little locking devices again. You have to push back. Little red tab. Remember I told you about that? Take a look. So the red tab, it's got to come back, and then you'll be able to, and then it'll just push on that tab behind it, and okay, stubborn. Two-handed here. So I can push down one and pry off with the other. Yeah, pain in the butt. Let go. All right, here we go. This is what I need right here for the good old compass. Yep. Okay, so my shopping is done. Sometimes you catch this bolt instead, and it's right next to it. And they're both 10s, so that's will end up screwing things up. Alright, so if you're looking, I'm gonna wind up putting it on it. 08s and 08s. See what? Taking a look at an 012 real quick. Okay, so this will finish up my little ride to Wilbert, and we'll get this back together and see if this tip 'em works better. Okay, just a quick added. Here's what the airbag deployment looks like on a 2012. Well, yeah, this is a 2012, and it's also all the way back to 2007. So here's what your airbag deployment looks like. The one right over your passenger dash, go straight up, and it will crack your window. You got one going to be right in your chest, coming out of your steering wheel, and then you got another one right down at your feet, or right at your knees. So we're going to keep you from nailing your feet underneath the dash. My daughter actually had a head-on, and she was in a neon, and it didn't have airbags where it is right now, and she got crushed right in where the pedals are. And speaking of that daughter, here is the Sebring that we brought down here. She is now on. She is now part of the. You want some brand new tires? Brand new front tires that I wasn't able to get off of it, and rear ones aren't too bad. But there she is, the old 4. How coincidental, huh? All right, we'll catch you at home. Okay, so we are leaving, and my damage today was like 73 bucks. I found the right battery. That's an Apple Legend, and it looks pretty darn new. 6.7. I don't know what it was at, but it looks like August, September, October, and might be 06, but I don't know. Okay, here's what we got. They called it an ECM. Charged me 21 bucks. That kind of beats 300. And a cord charge of $2, and I'll bring the other one back as soon as I get the I'll bring this one back, hopefully, as long as that other one's working. Well, I may not. I may just go ahead and send this one to that place and give you 25 bucks for it. That sensor, the
manifold runner control valve,
$7. And then I just got a used battery. I just pulled out today for $27. Yeah, $27. And then plus a $10 core. So there we go. It was $73. You can't beat that. Okay, so we'll say goodbye to Wilbert's. You pull it, a bath.